Before the fridge, people used to harvest ice from frozen lakes like wheat. In the 1800s, ice kings shipped giant blots of lake ice across the world, but it was expensive and melted fast. Then, inventors like Jacob Perkins and James Harrison used compressed ether and ammonia to create artificial cold. For the first time, humans didn't have to wait for winter. We controlled the temperature. It wasn't just a machine, it was the end of hunger for millions. Is your fridge a lifesaver? Tell in the comments and subscribe for more.